The letters are written in the box and the letter cards are there at the back. So pick up the correct letter card and put it in the box. Chalo fast. Everyone. हाँ okay, keep it there. Pick up the cards, everyone. Anaika, which letter is there in your hand? A. What is the sound of A? Very good. Kavya, which letter is there in your hand? Which letter it is? What is the sound of B? Which letter it is, Riya? C. What is the sound of C? Very good. D. What is the sound of D? The dog. Which letter it is, Swasti? E. What is the sound of E? Very good. Which letter it is? F. What is the sound of F? C. Very good. It is Arushi. Which letter it is? G for girl. G for girl. Which letter, Arushi? G, na? And what is the sound of G? Gaga. Which letter it is? What is the sound of H? Friends, pick up the cards. Go and pick up the cards. Pick up the cards. Pick up the cards, everyone. Trina, which letter it is? A. What is the sound of A? Which letter it is, Astik? कौन सा लेटर है? B. B का साउंड क्या है? What is the sound of B? Ball. Which letter it is, Mayank? लेटर कौन सा है? C. What is the sound of C? Which letter it is? कौन सा लेटर है, मृदुल? D. What is the sound of D?